How to use Google Sheet in Google Form. Want to survey respond to straight into spreadsheet? Google Form and Sheets are best friends and together they'll save your hours of many manual work. So go to open the Google Form. Over here, if you create a Google Form, add questions and create one and then tap on publish. Responder anyone with the link. Here you can see responses. There only you can see link to sheets. Simply tap on it, create a new spreadsheet and tap on create. Like this, your spreadsheet will be created within some times and it's very easy to use. And then over here you can see they have given you filters. For automatic filters are applied, like group by column, select, filter, sort, edit. So it's very easy to find out whose data you are looking for, like this.